Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting a recording now. Open the Voice Memos app and locate the red record button. Press it once and begin speaking in a steady voice. Hold the device about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth to reduce popping. You want a clear capture, so pause before you speak and frame your first sentence. Once done, tap the same button to stop. Make sure to rename the file immediately so you can find it later and avoid accidental overwrites. Once you have the raw take, tap Edit to trim any silence or mistakes. This reduces listener fatigue and tightens the message. You can split and re-record short sections rather than starting over. This saves time and preserves the good parts. Apply a basic enhancement or noise reduction if your app offers it. That improves clarity without complex audio skills. Make sure to listen through once after edits, because small cuts can disrupt flow. Adjust finish by saving a final version and choosing how you'll share it. Export as a file, use AirDrop, email, or upload to cloud storage for backup. You should back up important memos to avoid accidental loss. Create a consistent folder and naming scheme. If playback is too quiet, check the microphone opening, remove any case, and try increasing input gain or moving closer when re-recording. If issues persist, restart the app or device. Then test with a short memo to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.